Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on a couple different products I just received from a company called Zijp. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. If you own the Unit 1 helmet or you own a charger for the Stromer, this could be really game changing for you. So let's get into it. This is a really quick one. It's just a holder for the charger, but really well made, thick plastic. He's got pre-drilled screw holes in the back. I have it attached to the wall right now using some command strips because I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to keep it here, but it seems to be holding on just fine. This has a cord holder that keeps everything organized. I also bought this little cap to keep the charger clean and making sure there's no dust that gets into the connectors. Really convenient, really simple, keeps everything off the ground, and great little product. The next thing I want to talk about, which this company solved, which I think they did a great job, is if you have the connected helmet, you know that you can get turn signals, which are here, and this little device goes into this mount here. The problem that I have with this mount is that the ST7 handlebars are really thick, and the attachment that Unit 1 gives you is just an O-ring, and the ones that come in the box are too small. So I had to go on a hunt and I found an O-ring, and that's what's here. And the problem with that is the O-ring itself is super stretched on there. And then I don't know if I can get close enough, but you could see that the O-ring isn't actually going into the lip of the holder. So it's just resting on top here, and maybe this is a better angle, where it's not seated in, and it doesn't really provide a great connection. Now, I haven't had a problem with it yet. I live in Las Vegas, and it gets really dry here. And I can just see that the rubber O-ring at some point is going to get brittle, dry out, and break. What this company did is they built this bracket, and it bolts onto the brake handle. And all you have to do is remove the outer ring piece that would normally be here, put this in place of it, put these two bolts back in, and now you have a bracket that the controller will actually fit into. The remote just fits into two grooves that are on the side here, and you just push it down and get it to the position that you want it so your thumb can reach it. What's really great about this is on this side here, there's a set screw. So you can get this into the position that you want, and then you can turn this screw and it'll prevent this little remote from popping out in case, I guess, you were to crash or maybe you just bumped it or something like that. It's going to be locked into place. Again, great idea, great little piece of 3D printing, and just a very elegant solution for this remote that I think is much better than what we have over here that comes with the Unit 1 helmet. I hope this was helpful. Just a quick video today, and we'll see you soon.